In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable GPU sandboxing in Firefox step by step. This is a useful tweak if you're troubleshooting graphics issues, performance problems, or compatibility errors and want to test whether Firefox's GPU sandbox is part of the cause. Before we begin, just a quick reminder, changing advanced browser settings can affect stability and security, so only follow this if you understand the impact and want to make this specific adjustment. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once it's open, go straight to the address bar at the top. This is where you can access advanced configuration settings inside the browser. Click inside the address bar, type about config, and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's advanced preferences page. When the warning screen appears, you'll see a message that says something like proceed with caution or accept the risk and continue. This page gives you access to hidden settings, so Firefox wants to make sure you know you're changing advanced options. Go ahead and click accept the risk and continue to move forward. Now you'll be inside the about.config settings page. At the top, you'll see a search box. Click inside that search box and type Security.Sandbox.Gpu.Level. This is the exact setting you need to find in order to change the GPU sandbox level in Firefox. Once the setting appears in the results, look to the right side of it. You should see a pencil icon, which is the edit button. Click that pencil icon to modify the value. The current number is usually set to 2, and that means the GPU sandbox is enabled at a certain level. Now carefully change the number from 2 to 0. Setting it to 0 disables GPU sandboxing for Firefox. Make sure you enter the number correctly because even a small mistake can change a different behavior than the one you want. After typing 0, click the right tick or checkmark button to save the new value. That confirms the change and applies it to the browser configuration. At this point, the setting has been updated, but Firefox still needs a restart before it fully takes effect. So the next step is very important. Close Firefox completely and reopen it. This restart lets the browser load the new rule and apply the updated GPU sandbox setting properly. If you want to be extra sure, close every Firefox window first, then open it again from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once Firefox starts back up, the new configuration will be active. From here, you can test whether disabling GPU sandboxing improved the issue you were dealing with. If you were trying to fix a graphics glitch, browser crash, video playback problem, or rendering bug, this is the point where you can check whether the change made a difference. And that's it. You've now disabled GPU sandboxing in Firefox. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next useful Firefox tip or computer fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.